how you can make your first $500 with TikTok traffic, basically TikTok audience, TikTok affiliate marketing using ClickBank. Now in this video I'm going to be very short, but I will show exactly step by step how this is done. Okay, so let's go straight into it. As you can see, I'm on my TikTok. Now you can see the views have went down, and the reason why is because I have been testing free traffic, organic traffic, meaning not paying for any TikTok ads for 8 days. So in this account you can see, okay, of course you can start running with 10 to 15 to 20 US dollars per day to build up your audience, to get views, to get engagement, as you'll see later. But what I did over here, you can see I'm still getting lots of comments and sales. Now imagine having 1,900 comments for free. In this video I'm going to show you why TikTok is so powerful. Okay, you can see, okay, the shares, and then of course video views, almost 200,000 video views in 7 days, which is really great. Now imagine if you're here on ClickBank and you can see for free you can promote different products. Now you can earn all the way from $1,300 per sale in a day, and you can promote cheaper products as well, right? So it really depends what kind of commissions you want to make. You can see $477 per sales, $500 per sale. So in this case you only need one sale per day to be making over 10,000 or 15,000 US dollars. Okay, before I go into the details about TikTok and why it's so powerful and why it's Wild West right now in 2025, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram or Facebook or my WhatsApp or email later, okay? If you have any questions regards to affiliate marketing, TikTok affiliate marketing, making money online with Google ads, Facebook ads, do let me know, okay? But in this video, we are going to go straight into TikTok affiliate marketing, okay? And the reason why, let me go over here. You can see why is because TikTok is different kind of social media. You know, in 2025 they will award you with free exposure in front of millions of people. You see, you don't have to show your face, okay? Because the algorithm of TikTok is made to show your videos to people who are already buyers, who are already interested in the topic or the niche that you are in. For example, weight loss, right? You can see they have studies made that 44% of TikTok users have bought products on a video recommendation. So buyer's intent is already there. This is the missing puzzle or the secret that most of gurus you will never share even in their courses. Okay, there's always some piece of a bigger picture missing. Okay, and in this video you're gonna discover what is that. Okay, you can see over here, right? The number one secret that gurus never share is that the best affiliate marketers in the world focus on creating the customer, not finding it. What do you mean by that? You see, most of the people, let's say 70% of the people are non-buyers. They're out of the problem state. They're not in the solution state. You have 3% of people every day, let's say 100,000 people online who are in the buying mode. They want to buy right that moment when they see the TikTok ad or Google ad or YouTube ad, whatever, right? So you have to understand that there is the method, the deeper psychology, deeper layers of marketing that you can create a customer and not finding it, which is way more powerful because it's less competition. You see over here, right? Let me show you an example. This is one of the headlines, right? Do you want to know the easiest way to meet and attract stunning women to your life? Well, in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you blah, 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 the weird method, right? So you see, these focus heavily on a solution-oriented people, which is 20% of population are solution-oriented, right? So what we do instead of trying to find customer is we create customers. But how? This is the big difference. You see, you can generate customers out of the thin air if you know what you're doing, right? So instead of allowing the market to make them aware of the problem, and now you got 30 people fighting for attention, as a result, you will get insane return on ad spend and average order value will go up when you're creating the customer, right? So this is like giving you the airplane. You want to take off, but you don't know exactly what to do. You don't have the proven system that works. And of course, you don't have the right mentor to help you along the way. So that's very important, okay? You can see people are glued to their screens 24/7. So this is why TikTok affiliate marketing is really great, because it's Wild West. It's like Facebook in 2013 or 2010, right? What do I mean by that? It means that there is no rules and regulations like what you can say before and after pictures, weight loss, health, diabetes claims, right? all this compliance stuff, it's really at the beginning stage right now. So that's why it's very important right now in January 2025 to get on this train before it misses this opportunity, right? It's very important, because you don't have to believe me. You can go and Google it. TikTok is Wild West right now, okay? So it means that it's really huge. It's a big opportunity for you to give yourself gifts and allow yourself to once for all finally start making money online. Okay, you can see the results here. Let's say you are on ClickBank with $500 per sale, one offer you're promoting. One sale per week, you're making $500 per week, $2,000 US per month. Okay, if you have 5 sales per week, you're making 10,000 US dollars per month. Now you're working 20 to 30 minutes a day max. Okay, maximum 30 minutes a day, because there is nothing else to do. Once you have the videos set up and once you have your TikTok account running, now you don't have to have TikTok account right now. No, you don't need to have it right now as you watch this video. All this can be done for you and together with you one-on-one. All right, so you can see the results that you can be getting. Now, what we get done together, we connect together one-on-one. Okay, over the Zoom call, set it up as you can see over here, right? So the most important thing, as I told you before, right? 92% of TikTok users, they discovered new product on the app itself. So it means that they find the product on the app. It's buyer's behavior. Now, many gurus don't tell you the secret, but you have females and males audience, right? Females' emotional states are different than males. So we have safety, security, okay, for females, and then status, ego for males, which is very different. So your copywriting, your ads have to be really different. Now, you don't have to do it yourself, okay? All this can be done for you. But you have to understand, when you're buying different courses or coaching programs, there are deeper layers. Maybe you failed, you lost money in the past. And again, it's not your fault, because you didn't know there are deeper layers, not only superficial stuff of marketing, right? Deeper layers, and once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, will finally and naturally allow you to start getting results once for all, finally in 2025, right? So you can see the results you can have if you take affiliate marketing seriously, right? So it will 100% work for you if you have Wi-Fi connection, if you have at least laptop, and 20 to 30 minutes per day. And of course, if you can follow simple but proven step-by-step instructions. All right. So the best part is that you don't have to show your face on camera. Okay. So no, you don't have to do show your face on TikTok. This is faceless channels. You don't have to pitch any of your friends or family. Okay. And you don't have to buy any inventory with affiliate marketing. This is really great. Okay. So you don't need also tech skill, because once you have someone who can help you and guide you along the way, then you will finally be able to gain results in 2025. So what to do next? If you're watching this video, if you want to get results in 2025, right now as you watch this video, and take action to really stop making excuses, procrastinating, and getting results, then you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are in the description below, but only if you're really serious about taking action. If you have 30 minutes per day, if you have some money to invest in yourself, okay, and start generating really nice results for you and your family.